What's up, guys? This is G here, and today we're going to do a Nerf Gun Battle. Introducing...
Colin here.
What's up? Yes, sir. Alright, let's get started. Okay, ready? Alright, get the camera front. Alright, you ready?
Yep, 3,
Set, go.
Malfunction.
Oh yeah, how did it malfunction? How did that happen? How did it malfunction? Okay. Oh! That malfunction! Show you malfunction. Oh! Oh god! Alright, reload. Alright, reload. I'm gonna reload. Ow. I'm gonna reload it. You just try to shoot the camera. Don't shoot the camera, bro. Don't shoot in this room here. I'm gonna go get it. Wait, where's that? Oh, just keep recording. Don't shoot in the room. Don't shoot in my room. Bro, don't do that. Thank you. Come on, don't do it. Okay. Okay, I think we're good. You got that ammo? Here, take that.
Thanks.
Need to reload. Okay. Now. Low risk. Okay. We're about ready here in a bit.
You just stop the camera.
The camera's right there.
Stop it.
Okay, I think it's fine. Camera was fine, so you should be good.
I didn't mean to shoot the camera, but
It's. Alright, let me see. Nope, didn't crack, so you're good. Alright, ready to keep going?
No. Wait.
Yeah.
I only got 5
Okay.
bullets.
Let me shoot the camera back a bit. Does that look good? Yeah, sure, it looks good enough. 2. Okay. Yeah, I think this looks good right here. Alright. Ready?
Are you ready to get blasted?
Yes. Right, do you get busted?
Yeah.
Cool, yeah. Wait, you want the lights off or on? Okay, you want do some lights off.
Ow! This is so unfair.
What's up, fair hard? You getting shot at by a Nerf gun? Huh?
No.
No! Ow! Oh my god! Oh god! Ow! Oh god! You shouldn't have. Oh my god! Oh my god! Oh my god! What are these two doing in here? Give me that. Well, screw you.
No, I'm empty. Oh.
Yeah, you did. Get up. He's fine. Get up. You're okay. Here, let me help you up. He's fine.
Oh, God.
Guys, he's fine.
Freaking fell.
Alright, go Nerf gun. Okay, what's on? Turn the lights on. Okay. Here, come on. Go. Don't shoot the camera. Colin, don't shoot the camera. Don't shoot the camera. Alright.
Wait, I surrender. Oh.
Okay. Okay. Colin.
Ow.
Oh my god, dude. Go, Colin.
It doesn't take that kind.
Really? What kind does it take then? Like the big ass ones or the small ass ones?
Big ass ones.
Okay. Reasonably priced.
Oh. Guess what?
Oh my god. Oh my god.
You?
You do some stew like every time. Okay. That's it. I'm using this gun on you. Hands up!
I shot you first.
Oh my god, bro. Hands up, motherfucker! That's the police! Get up. You're fine. Please get up. You're fine. This is a funny thing.
Yeah.
Yep. It's still going. Don't shoot the camera! Don't shoot the camera! Stop shooting! Oh my god. Oh. Oh no. No. Ah! Oh, that's it. That's it. That's it, mister. You're done, boy. You're done. You're done. You're done. You're done. Busting this 2 seconds. Oh, you guys missed. You don't have any ammo in it. You don't got ammo in that gun. But I do. I got Colin though. You're fine. Oh, Colin. No, just get you ammo and come back in here. Where's the thing? Come on. Oh god, oh god. Oh god. Yeah, get you out of the camera. So they can see me. Thank you.
Sorry. No, surrender. Just don't shoot.
Oh, okay. Oh. You trying to surrender? Yeah, it's okay. Oh, dude, fuck you, Cole. Fuck you. Oh, got you.
Shot me good.
I'm gonna attack him.
Oh, I can reload fast. I'm good, but
Ah.
I got you first.
Nuh-uh.
I got you.
Nuh-uh.
Oh, faster.
Oh.
Ah. You.
Of course I did. I did now. I didn't miss now.
Wait, what?
Got you.
Hey, you guys, keep
Head
the
up.
darts upstairs.
We will.
You got them down here. Well, it's on whiskey now.
Alright. Alright. Ah. Oh crap. Oh. How was I gonna miss that? How was I gonna miss that? Yeah. Oh.
I got you first.
Okay. That's an easiest gun to me.
No, I'm sorry. Ah.
I don't care. Wait, what the heck? Wait, no. What's the thing? Okay.
Give me the real bullet.
Give me the ball.
I'm not gonna reach. I'm not reaching.
Okay, you not ready?
Yeah, no, I'm not ready.
You're ready to record, but I'm not ready to shoot. Oh. Okay, wait, hold on.
Oh, you're good. You're good, sucks.
What did you say to me?
Nothing.
Liar. Got it on video, it's on video, you know that. I'm really on video.
What's that behind you?
No. I fallen for this. I fallen for that.
Wait, we have a malfunction. Oh!
Ow.
That's for TV. Look, there's a scar right there.
No way. Alright, that's it. That's it. Give me. No, don't do that instead.
Oh!
Still going. You take that. I don't care. How can I take
I
that?
just stole your bullet.
Okay, I got it once. What the hell?
Haha. Wait,
Oh,
get
you
in there.
missed.
Get in there.
What?
That's...
I got you. You don't have any ammo in that thing. don't you?
Where's the other bullet?
I don't know. Don't know. Don't know. Oh god.
Oh my head.
Your ammo back there.
Okay.
There's one piece down there. One crap downstairs, bro. I don't know what. Alright guys, thanks for watching this video. Don't forget to like and subscribe if you haven't already. And I'll see you guys next time. Peace. Bye. You wanna say bye?
Peace.
Yeah, see ya.